Imagine losing a shoe every time you walk because of a simple yet crucial component that fails: the shoelace. Shoelaces are an everyday item we often take for granted, but their importance cannot be overstated. They are the unsung heroes of footwear, holding our shoes together and enabling us to move with ease. However, despite their critical role, shoelaces are surprisingly fragile and prone to breakage. In fact, a study found that 75% of people experience shoelace failure at some point in their lives. But that's not the only problem. Worn-out shoelaces can also cause injuries and discomfort. So, what can we do to prevent these issues and keep our shoes securely fastened? The solution lies in understanding the mechanics of shoelace failure and learning how to repair them efficiently. Let's start by examining the anatomy of a shoelace and how it works. A shoelace is essentially a long, thin cord with two ends that pass through a series of eyelets on the shoe.
The lacing mechanism relies on the elasticity of the cord to keep the shoe securely fastened.
However, when the cord stretches or deteriorates, the lacing mechanism fails, leading to a loose shoe. But that's not the strangest part. Did you know that some shoelaces are designed to self-destruct after a certain number of uses? Yes, you heard that right. Some shoelaces have a built-in mechanism that causes them to break after a predetermined period. This design is intended to reduce waste and encourage people to replace their shoelaces regularly. However, this self-destruct mechanism can also cause inconvenience and frustration for the user. And then something unexpected happened. A group of inventors created a self-lacing shoe that eliminates the need for shoelaces altogether. This innovative design uses a combination of sensors and motors to adjust the shoe's fit in real time. But how does it work? And what are the implications of this technology? The self-lacing shoe uses a complex system of pulleys and cables to tighten and loosen the shoe's fit. The system is controlled by a series of sensors that monitor the user's foot shape and adjust the lacing accordingly. This technology has far-reaching implications for people with disabilities, athletes, and even space exploration. For centuries, shoelaces have been a staple of footwear, but with the rise of self-lacing technology, their importance may be diminishing. However, there is still a need for efficient and effective shoelace repair techniques. So, let's dive into the world of DIY shoelace repair and explore some simple yet effective methods. One common method involves using a shoelace stretcher to restore the cord's elasticity. Another method involves using a needle and thread to repair damaged eyelets. But that's not all. Some people also use specialized tools like shoelace repair kits and lace extenders. These tools make it easier to repair shoelaces and extend their lifespan. However, the key to successful shoelace repair lies in understanding the underlying mechanics and using the right techniques. By mastering these skills, you can keep your shoes securely fastened and extend the life of your shoelaces. But before we conclude, let's talk about the environmental impact of shoelace disposal. Did you know that millions of shoelaces end up in landfills every year? This is a staggering statistic that highlights the need for sustainable and eco-friendly shoelace solutions. So, what can we do to reduce our environmental footprint and minimize waste? One solution lies in using recycled and biodegradable materials for shoelaces. Another solution involves designing shoelaces that can be easily repaired and reused. By adopting these strategies, we can reduce waste, promote sustainability, and create a more environmentally conscious society. In conclusion, shoelaces may seem like a trivial matter, but their importance extends far beyond their functionality. They are a symbol of innovation, creativity, and human ingenuity. By understanding the mechanics of shoelace failure and learning how to repair them efficiently, we can create a more sustainable and eco-friendly future. So, subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories and innovative ideas. And don't forget to like and comment below with your thoughts on shoelace repair and sustainability. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.